2018 Subaru WRX STI car review. The initial thing that strikes you concerning the limited edition Subaru WRX STI Type R could be the price, $49,855. Yep, for any full $12,900 greater base STI, you may be one of 500 people who have an raw logo with your trunklet. That's $6,450 per letter. On the plus side, you are getting an STI which has been specifically tweaked to extract maximum performance from the people who understand it best. The good points of 2018 Subaru WRX STI. A dirt road maestro, highly exclusive, crazy tossable. The bad points of 2018 Subaru WRX STI. A price only rabid enthusiasts could love. Certain controls may well be more refined, long in the toothed engine. Honed though it may be, the STI Type R isn't knife. Just like the everyday STI, the RA is really a rock hammer. It works best whenever you throw it around because of the scruff of the overly thick leader, carry excessive speed in a corner since you can, then get up on the brakes and yank arbitrarily. To hell while using apex. Wait patiently because the tires doth protest, then bury the gas pedal and grip. The party starts if the boost gets there, plus it likes to arrive late. This isn't an automobile that should come to mind after you think about delicately aiming towards apexes and dancing the road between oversteer and neutral. There's an abundance of grip along with the steering is quick, but turn-in behavior is vague, as well as the steering feels light and jumpy in steady-state cornering. There are significant changes underhood, however they come without equally significant numbers to quantify their existence. There's a negligible gain of 5 horsepower from revised AQ tuning as well as a high-flow intake plus 3 horsepower along with a less restrictive exhaust system plus 2 horsepower. Strengthened pistons and sodium-filled exhaust valves are set up in the name of reliability, because car's mission statement nearly mandates regular time in the track. That cracking open the engine led to only 5 additional horsepower is disappointing, especially considering what tuners, and Subaru itself, have had the capacity to extract on the August but aging EJ25 engine in past models. Third gear continues to be slightly tweaked using a 4.3% shorter ratio compared to the base STI, and that is said to better keep your turbocharger on boil. Without a standard STI accessible for comparison, it's difficult to confidently say we're able to tell the difference. Nevertheless, the Type R hardly runs outside of breath in any gear, always pulling hard, being a tractor, to redline. A short throw shifter reduces throws by 10% but is nearly notchy. The RA uses inverted monotube Bilstein dampers, that offer higher damping force at lower speeds. They're perfect for hooligan driving but have the ride slightly bouncy about. Nothing away from character for the car with letters in the name that indicate record attempt, though. Inside, a leader wrapped in micro-suede, a red engine start button, as well as a serial number plate would be the only cues to the model's exclusivity, although everyone could have noticed the car's dedication to purpose just before getting in. Like Japan market STI Type R offerings from the past, the Subaru's molded spoiler is ditched, simply an adjustable high-mount carbon fiber wing, which Subaru says makes measurable downforce at speeds of over 50 miles per hour or possibly even longer. A new rear bumper has functional ducts to slightly reduce drag and lift, and also a front splitter helps create some downforce too. There are, wait for it, cherry blossom red accent stripes within the grille in the beginning and around the bumper out back. Red brake calipers were cool inside the 1990s, however the RA's silver painted, Reinforced 6-pot Brembo calipers and cross-drilled rotors look perfect behind the gaping 19-inch forged BBS wheels of today, which are painted gold. Needless to say, they're a welcome change in the fluorescent yellow calipers for the normal 2018 STI. Subaru says the carbon fiber roof lowers center of gravity while improving torsional rigidity and shaving 8 pounds as well. Subaru claims the STI Type R is 51 pounds lighter compared to a base STI, using the bulk of that made up by replacing the spare tire that has a tire repair kit. The roof, BBS wheels, carbon fiber wing, and deleted rear armrest constitute the remainder. You'll never see the weight savings, added power, or aero improvements devoid of the aid of measurement devices, but it's nice to find out that Subaru is attempting in an era where fun factor means you have sweet apps for the infotainment screen. The STI Type R is accessible at select U.S. dealers in Crystal Black Silica, WR Blue Pearl, or Crystal White Pearl, with blue getting back together 49% on the 500 car mix. The rarest and best-looking color is black, only 19%. If you have $50,000 plus a hankering to get a rally hammer, act fast.